Tamil Nadu Government SCRT syllabus 4th standard Social Science Term 3. நமது பண்டைய தமிழ்நாடு உலக நாடுகள் பலவற்றுடன் வாணிப மற்றும் கலாச்சார உறவுகளை கொண்டிருந்தது. அவற்றில் சில நாடுகளை பற்றி இப்போது இந்த பாடத்தில் பார்ப்போம். Unit 1 Tamils around the world. Introduction. Ancient Tamil Nadu shared its boundary with the sea on three sides. We had trade and cultural relations with many countries like Egypt, China, Myanmar, Japan and many more. Let us know some countries Tamils influenced in Southern Asia. One is Sri Lanka and Malaysia, Singapore, Fiji, Myanmar, Mauritius, Reunion. படத்தில் நீங்கள் பார்ப்பது ஸ்ரீலங்காவின் வரைபடம் மற்றும் அந்த நாட்டின் கொடியாகும். ஸ்ரீலங்காவில் தமிழ் அலுவலக மொழியாகவும் செயல்பட்டு கொண்டு வருகின்றது. Sri-Lanka is a home to many Tamils. There are two groups of Tamils living. First group is Sri Lankan Tamils and the other is Indian Tamils. Their main work is tea plantations. Tamil is also an official language of Sri Lanka. Next, let us see about Malaysia. Malaysia is a peninsula located in Southeast Asia. Tamils influenced the cultural and political nature of Malaysia at the time of Pallava and Cholas. Tamils ships reached the modern Malaysian state of Kadaram in Tamil. The relations between Tamil Nadu and Malaysia have existed for more than 2000 years. இப்போது மலேசியாவில் தமிழர்களின் சில சிறப்பம்சங்களை பற்றி பார்ப்போம். In Malaysia, Tamils are the third largest group after the Malays and the Chinese. One of the biggest Hindu festivals in Malaysia is Thaipusam. Batu Caves is a limestone hill and cave temple at Gombak district in Malaysia. The Lord Murugan statue of the foot of Batu Caves is the second largest Hindu deity statue in the world. The World Tamil Conferences were held 3 times in Malaysia. Tamil is one of the educational language in Malaysia. Now let us see about Singapore. Modern Singapore was founded in 1819 AD by a British statesman and Lieutenant Governor Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. But the Tamils had maintained connection with this island much before that. When British ruled Singapore, Tamils came here as workers and traders. The hard work of Tamils is one of the reasons behind the development and modernization of Singapore. இப்போது நீங்கள் படத்தில் பார்ப்பது சிங்கப்பூரில் உள்ள அழகான சுற்றுலா தலங்கள் ஆகும். Now the Tamil community consists of lawyers, lecturers, doctors, engineers, government officials and even politicians. Construction of Johor Bridge, Sembawang Shipyard, Klang Airport and St. Andrew's Cathedral are symbols of Tamils' hard work. In 1828, a Mariamman temple was built in Dravidian style by the Tamils in Singapore. This is gazetted as a national monument of Singapore. Now let us see about Fiji. Fiji, a group of volcanic islands in the South Pacific. The Tamils were sent to Fiji by British as laborers between 1903 to 1916. The Tamils in Fiji have always voiced their need for equal rights. Women's wing was formed the Indian Sanmarga Madar Sangam. The book named Tirukkurali was launched by Rathu Joni, the Vice President of Fiji. This was a Fijian version of Tamil book Tirukkural. The Siva Subramanya temple is a Hindu temple located in Nadi, Fiji. Now we see about Myanmar. Myanmar is our neighboring country. Most people here follow Buddhism. The cultural and trade between Tamil Nadu and Myanmar was mostly through the sea. King Anvaratha Winsaw was the founder of the empire. He is considered the father of the nation in Myanmar. His son King Kyansitha had good relations with the Chola kingdom of Tamil Nadu. மியான்மர் நாட்டின் சில அழகான சுற்றுலா தலங்களை படத்தில் காணலாம். Tamil people moved here and worked in the agricultural fields in 1850. The fights between Indians and Burmese led to riots in the country. More Tamils forced to leave from Myanmar after this war. There are many temples in Myanmar for Hindu gods like Mariamman, Murugan and Thirumal. Ananda temple is famous in Myanmar. Its architecture is made the mixture of Dravidian and North Indian style. நாம் இப்போது பார்ப்பது மொரிஷியஸ் தீவை பற்றி. அந்த தீவின் கரையோரமும் அதன் கொடியையும் படத்தில் பார்க்கலாம். France was the first country to strive for the development of Mauritius. French brought many Indians to this island as skilled workers in 1729 AD. Many Tamils were brought from Puducherry as slaves and laborers. Tamils helped the French make this island suitable to live and to construct many buildings. In Mauritius, Postal Museum is a beautiful rock building of the 19th century and classified as historical monument. This building is in Port Louis and was built by Tamils. In 1810, Mauritius was captured by English and they brought more Indians to this island. Now, Tamils are 10% of the total population. Finally, let us see about Reunion with Tamils. Reunion is an island located in the Indian Ocean near Mauritius. It is a part of the French Overseas Department. The French brought Tamils to this island from Puducherry and Karaikal. Tamils worked in tea and sugarcane plantations. Tamils were more than 1/4 of the total population of this island. These are no differences among Tamils based on caste or religions. More of Tamils work in the agricultural sectors. The educated Tamils also hold high positions in both government and private offices. Tamil language and culture are still strong in the island. Dear children, very thankful for watching this video. Let us see with another lesson quickly.